Most people think buying a MacBook means spending a lakh rupees. But what if I told you that I bought this MacBook Air M1 at just 48,000? And the crazy part, I bought it from the Amazon deals. And today I'll show you how did I buy this laptop from Amazon in such a great price. Why MacBook Air M1 is still worth in 2026 and why people are actually overpaying for newer laptops. And if you watch till the end, I'll tell you how you also can get these kind of deals. So in the early 2025, I was looking for a laptop which can handle video editing, normal day-to-day tasks and scrolling social media. And honestly, every good laptop that I checked was priced around 70,000 to 1 lakh rupees, which doesn't fit in my budget. But then I remembered something interesting, the OG MacBook Air M1. One day while scrolling the Amazon, I found a deal. The MacBook Air M1 was priced at whopping 52,000. Just 52,000. The MacBook Air M1 was launched around 1 lakh rupees. But during the sale, there were multiple offers stacked together, like the bank discounts, exchange, and the additional cashback. When everything applied in the checkout, the final price dropped to 58,999. At first, I thought, this looks too good to be true. When the package arrived, I was very nervous. What if it's used? What if it's fake? What if it's refurbished? But after opening the box, sigh, everything was perfectly there. Then I checked the serial number on the Apple's website and I found that yeah, it was the original MacBook Air M1 and it was completely genuine. Now let's talk about the real question. Is MacBook Air M1 still worth in 2026? Surprisingly, yes. Yet today it can handle 4K video editing, coding, content creation, multitasking and browsing very seamlessly. The MacBook Air M1 was so ahead of its time that the M1 chip can even beat most of the Windows laptop in terms of performance. And the battery life is crazy. I still get 12 to 15 hours even after using it for 1 year. Now many people ask that should they buy the MacBook Neo or the newer MacBook M2 models. What I feel is that you should go for the M2 models, and if you are still tight on your budget, then you should go for the MacBook Air M1. Still, after 5 years, I'm suggesting the MacBook Air M1 because I've tried the newest Windows laptops which lack in performance till this date. So the value for money of M1 is still insane. Last but not the least, how to crack these kind of deals. See, you have to wait. During big sale events with bank card offers, you can get such kind of products at such low prices. So if you are tracking the sale prices, then you can save around 20 to 30,000 on your MacBook or any other electronic device. That's exactly how I bought my MacBook Air M1 at just 48,999. If you want more videos where I show you how to crack these kind of deals, honest gadget reviews and hidden tricks to save money, then make sure you subscribe to the channel The Techie and like and share with your family and friends.
Make it a microphone check, give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a